Attention, bosses! This square sawdust carbonization furnace is your powerful tool to turn sawdust waste into treasure. The whole furnace features excellent air tightness, paired with a smokeless and eco-friendly purification system. The carbonization process is smokeless and odorless, fully complying with environmental protection standards. No need to worry about environmental impact assessments. The produced sawdust charcoal has high density and calorific value. It is ideal for use as barbecue charcoal, biomass fuel, or as a raw material for activated carbon processing, enjoying a broad market demand. If you're interested, please feel free to contact me.